Get ready to experience the future of personal freedom. In this video, we're unveiling the top 8 best mobility scooters of 2026. Machines that combine cutting-edge design, power, and comfort to redefine independence. From sleek city rides to all-terrain beasts, these scooters prove mobility can be stylish, smart, and unstoppable. Pride Mobility. The Pride Mobility. Go Endurance. AL Plus is a smart blend of portability, comfort, and performance. Built for users who want freedom on the move. Weighing just 83 pounds without batteries, it quickly disassembles into 5 lightweight pieces, with the heaviest part only 35 pounds, making travel and storage effortless. Powered by an airline-safe lithium battery, it comes with 2 options. An 8 amp-hour version, offering up to 9 miles of range, or a 12 amp-hour upgrade that stretches to 18 miles. With a top speed of 4.8 miles per hour and a 325-pound weight capacity, it's perfect for everyday errands and adventures. The front and rear CTS suspension delivers a smooth, cushioned ride, while features like the Charge 360 magnetic charging system and infinite tiller adjustment make operation simple and intuitive. Priced around $2,000, the Go Endurance AL Plus is the perfect companion for modern, active mobility. Daihatsu e-Sneaker. The Daihatsu e-Sneaker is a thoughtfully engineered electric mobility scooter crafted for active seniors who value freedom, comfort, and confidence. Powered by dual 250-watt motors and a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, it reaches a smooth top speed of 6 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 12 kilometers per charge, ideal for short trips or everyday commutes. Its elevated seating position provides a cyclist's eye-level view, improving visibility and safety on the road. The large pneumatic tires easily handle steps up to 7.5 centimeters and grooves up to 10 centimeters wide, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride across different terrains. With a compact frame measuring 1,130 millimeters in length, 645 millimeters in width, and 985 millimeters in height, it's easy to navigate through tight spaces and store conveniently. Priced at $2,800, the Daihatsu e-Sneaker beautifully blends functionality, safety, and style for reliable, independent mobility. ECONELO LUNAR Q. The ECONELO LUNAR Q is a sleek, compact 4-wheel electric scooter built to redefine urban mobility with both comfort and confidence. Powered by a 1,000-watt motor and a 60-volt 20 amp-hour lead-acid battery, it delivers a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and a reliable range of up to 50 kilometers per charge. Its 12-inch wheels paired with electromagnetic brakes ensure every ride is smooth, controlled, and safe. The fully enclosed cabin offers year-round comfort, featuring built-in heating and air conditioning to handle any weather with ease. Inside, the LUNAR Q provides thoughtful details like a digital LED display, adjustable seat, reclining armrests, and a convenient reverse gear for effortless maneuvering. Priced at €1,749, the ECONELO LUNAR Q stands out as a practical, affordable, and stylish mobility option for anyone seeking greater independence in daily travel. Sterling S800. The Sterling S800 by Scoozy is a sleek, modern mobility scooter built to conquer both city streets and off-road paths with ease. Designed with 4 large 18-inch wheels and advanced suspension, it delivers an incredibly smooth and stable ride, even on rough terrain or gentle slopes. The bike-style handlebar controls, complete with a thumb throttle and handbrake, give riders intuitive, effortless control that feels natural, especially for those familiar with cycling. Powered by a 70 amp-hour lithium battery, the S800 offers an impressive range of up to 31 miles, 50 kilometers, on a single charge, allowing for worry-free travel over long distances. Its ergonomic build, featuring adjustable seating and a wide footplate, ensures lasting comfort on every journey. Priced at £5,995, the Sterling S800 combines practicality, power, and elegance, an ideal mobility companion for those who crave freedom and adventure. WHILL Model R, 4-wheel. The WHILL Model R, 4-wheel, is a sleek, futuristic mobility scooter that redefines what freedom on wheels feels like. Built for users who want both elegance and practicality, it weighs just 125 pounds, yet supports up to 325 pounds with ease. Powered to reach speeds of 5 miles per hour and offering a range of up to 10.7 miles per charge, it's perfect for everyday commutes or smooth indoor navigation. Its standout feature, the electronic stability control, smartly adjusts speed and balance for safer, steadier rides across different surfaces. With a tight 38.2-inch turning radius, maneuvering through narrow halls or crowded spaces feels effortless. Plus, it disassembles in under 10 seconds, ideal for quick transport or compact storage. Priced around $2,500, the WHILL Model R blends cutting-edge innovation with pure convenience, setting a new standard in modern mobility. Daymak Boomerbuggy X Pro. The Daymak Boomerbuggy X Pro is a cutting-edge enclosed mobility scooter that blurs the line between a scooter and a compact electric vehicle. Powered by a strong 1200-watt motor and a 60-volt 45-amp-hour battery, it reaches a top speed of 12.4 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, and delivers a range of up to 31 miles, 50 kilometers, per charge. Built for both comfort and durability, it features hydraulic disc brakes, 12-inch tires, and a sturdy 550 pounds weight capacity for stable, secure rides. Inside, the fully enclosed cabin offers year-round comfort with heating, air conditioning, power windows, and even a sunroof for a premium feel. A full-color LED display with Bluetooth connectivity keeps you informed and entertained on the go. Priced around $9,550, the Daymak Boomerbuggy X Pro is a stylish, all-weather mobility solution designed for safety, comfort, and total independence. Evoque Enza. The Evoque Enza, redefining mobility with a perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and modern design. This enclosed scooter brings car-like luxury to personal transportation, featuring a powerful 2,200-watt motor that delivers speeds up to 32 kilometers per hour and an impressive range of up to 90 kilometers. Whether it's rain or shine, its climate-controlled cabin keeps you comfortable year-round, while keyless start, power windows, and a vibrant 7-inch digital display add a premium feel. The ergonomic swivel seat and steering wheel make every ride effortless, and with a 600-pound load capacity plus hydraulic disc brakes, safety meets stability. Priced around $9,000, the Evoque Enza is not just a scooter, it's your personal electric capsule of comfort and freedom. Avvenire Tectus. The Avvenire Tectus is a groundbreaking all-weather, all-terrain mobility scooter built to take personal transportation to the next level. With dual 1,000-watt motors delivering a powerful 2,000-watt output, it reaches speeds up to 32 kilometers per hour, 20 miles per hour, and covers an impressive 160 kilometers, 99 miles, on a single charge. Its advanced all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction across snow, sand, and pavement, making it ready for any adventure. Inside, the fully enclosed cabin ensures total comfort with air conditioning, heating, GPS tracking, a backup camera, and wireless charging, all designed to keep you connected and protected in every condition. Priced at $8,999, the Avvenire Tectus is not just a mobility scooter. It's a bold statement of independence, power, and luxury engineered for limitless exploration. Mobility has never looked this powerful or felt this free. From futuristic designs to all-weather comfort, these scooters are shaping the way we move in 2026. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech that moves your world forward.